folks. Hi folks, this is Chef Rick with the Wonder Chopper. Just want to show you what you do when you receive your Wonder Chopper, how you assemble it. Now you want to take it out of the box, of course. You have all these different parts here that are simple to use. You have your crank handle and your white little piece, this insert that fits right in. Sometimes I give a little tap and now you're ready to go. That's going to fit into your little holes. Remember, high gear, low gear. If it's stuck, you're back to high gear, and then the hole in the center is reverse. It's like a 3-speed transmission. However, I really want to show you these blades, how we take these inserts off right here. Now watch this. What you want to do is just lift up and then pull. Now watch this. Just be careful. Sometimes you can wear a oven mitt to do this. Push up and pull. Take your time. And I basically throw these inserts away when I'm done. You don't want to save these. It's really unnecessary. Because when you wash the machine, okay, and when you store it, here's how I store mine after it's washed and dried, just like that in the kitchen. But watch this. One more time, we're going to put this lid back on here. It locks in like a jar. And if you have tendonitis, arthritis, bursitis, this is just a pleasure to lose. You lose. There we go. I got to get those teeth fixed. If you're stuck, you go back to high gear. One other thing, we do have recipes and instructions in the box. Pictures for the men and words for the ladies. The complete salsa recipe. On my last video, I was verklempt. I was hit in the head by a falling napkin. I forgot to mention salt. You need to put salt in the salsa, okay? So use salt, follow the recipe, and enjoy the machine. Thank you.